Hi everyone and welcome back. If you are new here, then hello, my name is Zoe and this is my YouTube channel. Today's video is all about hair and I'm going to share my blow dry routine today. I'm going to show you how I create a really nice smooth salon style blow dry at home. I'm going to be using the Mermade blow dry brush today, and this is an amazing tool. It's your brush and your hair dryer in one, so it's going to style your hair and dry it all at the same time. I'm going to share with you my blow dry routine today, show you how quick and easy this is to use to create that really nice super smooth blowout. I'm also going to be sharing a discount code a little bit later on for you guys as well. My hair is freshly washed and I've just let this air dry while I did my makeup. I've also popped in some heat protectant as well, and the first thing that I'm going to do is just section it. This is the Mermade blow dry brush. It's going to dry and style your hair at the same time. It's also going to be super quick and easy for you guys to use. You can use this on wet and dry hair too, so I'm going to use it on my wet hair today, show you how I dry and style it. You can also use this on your dry hair as well, just to revive it a little bit, maybe add a little bit more bounce to it. It's super lightweight too, which makes it really comfortable to hold and easy to use. And also the cord twizzles around with you as well as you use it, so you won't get tangled up or anything. It's got 3 different heat settings as well. I'm going to use the hottest one on mine today because my hair is quite thick. It's also quite damp still in a few places, so this is going to really smooth it out and dry it really quickly as well. Before I turn it on and do my first sections, I'm going to show you the motion that I'm going to hold the brush in. I'll comb through the hair a couple of times just to make sure that it's getting nice and dry, and then on my last couple of times I'll go a little bit more slowly, smooth down the hair with the brush, and then at the end I'm going to curl the hair under just to create that really nice smooth blowout effect. What's great as well, you can hold on to this end as well as you smooth down your hair because this doesn't get hot, so holding on to this can help you be really nice and precise with it as well. So I'm going to get started and do my first section. So you can already see now how smooth that side is compared to this side. If you struggle using both your round brush and hairdryer like I do, I can't use both together. This is like that in one, and it just makes it so much easier to get that super smooth like blow dry effect. I'm going to do this side next. Again, I'm going to brush through a couple of times and then go a little bit more slowly and really smooth it out. Okay, so both of my first sections are done. You can see how nice and smooth they are, and they just nicely curl underneath. You can see how quickly this dries your hair as well. It's amazing. Usually it takes me so long to dry my hair because it is so thick and long, whereas this, just a few combs through and it's completely dry. So I'm going to carry on doing that same motion for my next few sections, and you'll see how nice and like voluminous it looks the more layers that we do. So I've done a couple more sections, there's only a couple more left to go, and now we've done a few more layers, you can really see how we're starting to get that nice bounce to the blow dry. Okay, so we're on the final section, which is the top section. I'm going to separate my very shorter pieces at the front because these are a little bit shorter than the rest. We're going to separate these and clip them up, and then for the rest of the top section I'm going to do exactly the same that we've been doing, just smoothing the hair out and just flicking it underneath, and then I'm going to do my front sections last. So you can see that now we've done the top section, it's all starting to come together. We've got that nice amount of volume, it's nice and bouncy, but it's still nice and smooth at the same time. I'm going to quickly show you how I finish it off with my front pieces because I feel like this really does finish it off and adds to that like blowout effect. So for my front pieces I like to blow dry them back so they're framing away from my face this time. Rather than curling under, we're going to blow dry them backwards. I'll take my front piece, hold my brush like this, and I'm going to brush the hair backwards so it blow dries backwards and it'll frame away from the face rather than framing inward. Okay, so see how it's slightly curling away from the face? And then we're going to do the same on this side. And I really think those front pieces just complete the look and finish it off. How quick and easy was that? I absolutely love this routine. And it just gives that super smooth, bouncy blow dry like you would get in the salon. So that's how I do it at home using the Mermade blow dry brush. I do also have a code for 15% off, which I'll also leave in the description box as well, which is Zoe Mountford for 15% off. That completes my blow dry routine using the Mermade blow dry brush. I absolutely love the results. It's super quick and super easy, and it does create that super smooth blowout. So I really hope you did enjoy today's video. Let me know if you did down in the comments. Please give it a big thumbs up as well, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next week in my next one. Bye!